Welcome, today in front of me Motorola G71 5G, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the sounds and vibration. Now just click to the advanced options, scroll a little bit down, and here you will see the default notification sound. Tap there. Now as can you see, we got selected the motor sound. We can just select the another one, and or also you can here add your custom notification sound. But how to add the custom notification sound you can find on our YouTube channel in another video tutorial. So in this tutorial I'll show you only how to change your default notification sound. So for example, we can go with the hello, tap to here to OK, and as can you see, our notification sound has changed successfully to the another one. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.